As a filmmaker, lighting is one of the most important things you'll ever learn. Master lighting and you'll be able to make magic. Good lighting meant big lights. Big light meant bigger cases, cables, and half the time you're not even shooting, you're looking for a power socket to plug into. But that all changed when this showed up. Fiber Array M60 Ultra, a 60-watt pocket RGB light that's about to change how you think about lighting a set. Now let's talk about size of this thing. It generates 60-watt output and it is lighter than the most water bottle. In fact, it is just as big as my iPhone. The amount of power in a tiny little thing is absolutely insane. I am someone who's obsessed with gear that travels well, and this is exactly that. It slides into a pocket, it disappears into a bag. There is no excuse to leave it behind. Later on in the video, we're gonna take this thing out and actually go out for a shoot and test this thing in real life scenarios. But before that, let's talk about design. First things first, I really love how they kept these knobs instead of forcing everything on a touchscreen. I really love the color and the design. Everything looks so premium. There are vents, so heating up is not an issue. I absolutely love the color and how you have to turn the dial to turn it on so you don't accidentally turn it on. And here is a USB-C for charging on the go, and you can obviously charge this with your power bank, so battery is not an issue. It lasts up to 35 minutes, which I don't think I'm gonna use it with full blast. Most of the time I'm using this about 10 to 15% and it gets the job done. And here's the fan at the back, the battery, and overall it just looks so pleasing. There's also a universal thread mount on the body, so it mounts straight onto any tripod or light stand. And the display right here in the middle shows your hue, saturation, and brightness. I think they did a really good job with the design of this thing. Now here's the number that actually matters. Peak illuminance up to 6490 lux at 1 meter. That is outperforming most of the lights at its size and weight class. So in simple words, for a light this size, this packs a punch. Alright, now let's compare lights. So this is a random light of a similar size, and here on my left hand is M60 Ultra. They're currently both on 10% and 5000 Kelvin, so here we go. You can obviously see M60 Ultra right here is obviously brighter. And this is how this shot looks like with this being turned off. It's all from this compact little beast of a powerhouse. Now the reason why it hits so hard is that every single LED bed has its own individual lens that's roughly 6 times brighter than what you'd get from an ordinary pocket light with the same power draw, just because the light is being focused so much more efficiently. And all of that in a light that roughly costs about 130 USD. That is mind-blowing. Also, another thing that I really love about these lights are the magnetic accessories. Swapping them are stupid easy. You get a honeycomb mount right here, and on top of that you can stack it with a diffuser. I can't stress this enough how easy and user-friendly this is. Just snap it around and you're good to go. So obviously honeycomb, it prevents spilling the light, and the diffusion for more softer light. So I'm currently filming a video on this huge bulky softbox. As you can see, it's spilling in the background a little bit. Now let's switch to the honeycomb and see how it is. And right now I'm filming on M60 Ultra with the honeycomb and a diffusion on. And as you can see, the light is more directed to my face and it's soft and pleasing. And most importantly, it's only on 15%. So that is crazy bright. And let me show you how it looks like without the softbox. Oh yeah, it is bright and straight to my face. It's just 15% still, and obviously you can really diffuse it with a bigger softbox and bounce it off a wall or something like that. But if I want to use it directly on my face, I'm gonna put the diffusion on, which is perfect. And here it is with the diffusion. So I want to test the light out, but I wish we had a model with us, but I think unfortunately we... excuse me, would you like to be the model for my video? I'm testing this light. I'll give you chocolates.
Okay, I like chocolate.
Okay, perfect. Now that we have ourselves a model and my light is right here, I want to take some shots over here. This is our background And the greatest thing about this light is you can connect it with your app and you can control everything from your phone. So that's what I'm gonna do. So right now I am under this street lamp and I wanna emulate the light coming out of the street lamp, which is gonna be the same color. So all you gotta do is download this app. The interface is super easy, it connects. And the best part about this app is you can match the light with your camera. All you gotta do to match the light is click the CCT pair button and look up at your light source and click match. And there we go, it selected the color. And there you go, now it's emulating the same temperature as the lamp above me. And you can control everything from here, which is super handy. Now it is just at 5% and it is extremely bright, so that is crazy. This changes everything. You no longer need to worry about wires, cables, and power sockets. You can just slide this thing in your backpack and it gets the job done. All right, so I set up the light here. This is the background and here's the scene. Alright, so I think this shot looks pretty good. I'm really happy with it. And obviously you can also save presets. That's pretty cool. So I'm pretty happy with this shot. And let me show you how this shot looks like without the light cutting. Look at that. See the difference right here? This is with the light and without.
With the light, without.
Are you mocking me? I'm not gonna give you chocolates no more. And don't forget guys, the light right now is at only 5%. I'm not kidding, 5%. I'm not gonna use it 100% because it is obviously really bright on low levels like this. All right, so I just discovered another spot right here. It's really beautiful. There is a light source right there. So we're gonna do some motivated light and so here's the shot without any lights. And now let's do some magic. I'm gonna angle the light right here. Alright, so I just noticed this red light and now I want to see if I can get the same red light and get some motivated neon kind of shots. So let's see how it goes. Currently it's emulating the lamp that we set up to. So I'm just gonna open the picker and try to pick this color right here, which is the red color. Come on, you got this, come on. Oh, I got it. The light just turned red. Look at that, that is crazy. This makes my job so much easier and so much fun for run and gun kind of film. This is amazing. Now let's get that shot. So the light is acting as a motivated light and my idea is to get a low angle shot right here and you can see the red LED kind of lights right behind and it matches the vibe. So here we go. And also I want to talk about how saturated and beautiful the RGB colors that comes out of this light. So conclusion, this light have really earned a spot in my backpack and obviously there is no reason to leave it all behind, especially how easy and user-friendly this is. And if you shoot solo and on the run kind of content, which I really do, this light is really a game changer and for the price, it is absolutely worth it. The link for the product is down below in the description and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.